we're going to start with page 5. So measuring and scales. So when scientists do experiments, it's important that they measure accurately. Look at the pictures of the measuring instruments below and write their readings in the boxes. So first of all, we've got thermometers. So thermometers are used for measuring temperature and that is in units of degrees Celsius. In the UK we use Celsius. And for shorthand, that is a little dot and a C. So if we look at the first one, so for a thermometer, anything below the 0 is negative degrees, and anything above is positive. So we look at that black line and where it ends. So the black line goes all the way up and it ends there at 60. So the answer to that is 60 degrees C. So have a go at the rest of those. Page 6, measuring cylinders. Measuring cylinders are used for measuring volume. So that is the volume of a liquid rather than the volume of your TV, say, because you can turn your volume up on your TV, but that has nothing to do with this. So that is in units of litres, or smaller than litres, we have millilitres. And the shorthand way of writing millilitres is small l, so small m and L. So if we look at A again, with a measuring cylinder, we go from 0 and we read up the way. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and look at the units, it's in millilitres, so 7 millilitres. And just to point out at the bottom there, 1 cubic centimetre is the same as 1 millilitre. So you might see it written cubic centimetres, you might see it written cubic millilitres. And finally, spring balances, and these can also be called Newton meters. Either is fine, they're the same thing. And they are used for measuring force, and that is in units of newtons. So N-E-W-T-O-N-S, or capital N for short. Let me try and rewrite that a little bit neater. Newtons. There we go. So for these, what we do is we go from 0, which is at the top, and down the way. So you can see in part A, we go from 0, down, 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 and the line stops at 7 newtons there, so it's 7 newtons. So it's the opposite way around. We go from the top is 0, and it goes down the way. Okay. So you have a go at pages 5 to 7, and then you can check your answers with the sheet at the bottom.